Okay, so vlog number 2 with the GoPro Hero 6 Black. I'm around my mum and dad's because it's Mother's Day today. Great thing, Mother's Day, great institution annually that we just honour our mothers for being absolutely fantastic and really supportive, and I'm no exception. And I bought round some nice flowers for Mum, but I've also bought around the Tello as well, because what I'm intrigued is to see is if Mum can actually fly this Tello drone. I think it's that good and it's that easy to fly that a complete novice user, somebody who's never flown anything radio controlled, let alone a drone, will be able to fly this drone quite easily. So let's see. Hello, hello.
Wow.
Happy Mother's Day.
Fabuloso. Thank you, darling. Very kind.
And there's a card for you as well.
Oh, thank you, darling. Very nice.
You come in.
Wonderful. Did you have a nice day?
It's fine. How's my mum?
Yeah, very good, very good.
Oh, good. So I've got a little Mother's Day challenge for you.
Oh dear.
Do you know I came around yesterday and I was flying this little
Yes.
this little Tello drone?
Yes.
So I reckon it's so easy to use and to fly that you'd be able to fly.
I'm not sure if that's
Have you ever, you've never flown a drone? You've never flown anything radio controlled?
No,
have you,
I
ever?
haven't, ever.
Do you want to go?
Yes,
You're on film,
indeed.
right, I think that would stop.
And Dad can do Dad can do filming.
So it's the woman's thing. It's Mother's Day.
Oh, hope you got that.
Did you actually celebrate a recent International Women's Day, Father?
You didn't even know it was on.
I did, I heard it on the news.
Heard it on the news.
Heard it on the radio.
Oh, tap tap.
Let's not go
I have
there.
tried my best over the years.
How many years?
Nearly 50.
Nearly 50.
Yes.
It's amazing. I don't know how you've done that, Mum. Congratulations.
Neither do I.
Right, should we go and try this
Yes,
then?
indeed.
So I've got a mini iPad, I've got the Tello. Do you want to take your, are you going to keep your pinny on?
I'll take my pinball off.
Alright, come on in. Right. So if you want to take the, can you take the iPad? Mum?
Yeah.
So you want to come stand here? Okay, so we've got the Tello on the ground over there. Take off.
You want me to do that?
Yeah. And we're up. And it's just gonna stay there. Now we have to think what we're doing. So you see these this top one. Just
Yep.
press that really lightly. Slide up. That's it. Stop. You see? And then go the other way. Look.
Oh, you actually move it?
Yeah.
Oh, not just press it. Oh, right.
Slide it like that.
Okay.
Yeah? Gently let go. And back. No. The other way. Down, Mum. Mum. Come back here. Down. Put your finger there and go and straight down. There you go. Alright. Said this was easy. No. What you can do is you can turn around. So you slide side to side and it will turn around. That's up. No, listen to what I'm saying to you.
Right.
Slide like that.
Oh, side.
That's how it turns.
Oh, I see.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See how it turns around?
Yeah.
Great. Now I'll tell you what we can do now. We can let's turn on. We're recording now. So if it, you see where it is, it's gonna,
Yeah.
we're going to land it on your hand. So press the landing button now and do hand landing and do yes. And go over there and it's going to land on your hand. There you go. And just hold your hand there. And you've landed. Third attempt. What we got there? Brilliant. That was alright, wasn't it?
Have you
Wasn't too
very
hard.
good? No. Just needs a little bit more practice.
Ah, funny. Right, okay. Next we're going to go a bit advanced now.
This is where I chuck it in the air.
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah, this is fun. All right, so here we go. We're gonna hand launch. So, it's one of these. Throw and go.
Throw and go.
Throw and go. Say it. Throw and go. You with me?
Do you want me to do it now?
No, we've got to start the
Oh,
propellers
right.
first. It will just land in a heap on the ground if you do it right now.
Okay.
So we do throw and go. Da 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 da. 5, you spin, and now do it. Hey! Yeah. Okay. Now we can do some aerobatics. So press the middle icon again, and you can do flips.
Slide on screen to flip in 8 seconds.
Yeah. So click on flips. Do that. Press on flips. Yeah. Do start. And what you can do is you just stroke across to the way that you want to do it on here, in the middle. Yeah. Just do it. Do you like that?
I've done that one before.
I've done it.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
So it'll flip according to the way that you're you just go one way or the other.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to do that hand landing again.
Oh, okay.
And yeah. And you're going to put your hand underneath it.
Oh yes, behaved well that time.
Oh.
I had it on the edge of my
just
hand.
as well the
that's
propellers
why.
weren't going fast.
Yeah. Oh really?
Yeah. Well, no, they powered off. So I think you're right. But it's important when you do that to have your hand
Keep it
flat. And don't try and grab it, because then you'll hear this and
I was a bit
your
worried about
nails will disappear.
I was a bit worried about it falling on the ground. But I
Yeah,
suppose that wouldn't
no,
have mattered
no,
actually.
it wouldn't
would
have it would bounce.
Yeah.
It would bounce.
Oh, that's very
Great.
good.
Okay.
Very impressive.
Yeah, you like that? Great
Yeah,
technology, isn't
yeah,
it?
it's really
Okay.
amazing.
So there you go. There's proof. If my lovely mum can fly the Tello, then so could your mum.
That's
Oh,
true.
that's true. Or anybody else come to that. Who's never flown a drone before, or any type of radio control thing before. Actually, it's that simple to fly and lots of fun. Okay. Thanks, mum.
Oh, pleasure.
Happy Mother's Day. Right. Thanks, everyone. See you next time. There we go.
Send that to me.
Once it comes out, all right.